Alright, grade 7s. I know I drove you nuts with the multiplication yesterday in math, and you need to accept my humble apologies. Let's look at it a different way, maybe the way you're used to, because I was playing around with it more, and I think this makes sense. If we were to multiply 12 by 24, this is what's called an array, and this is using your base 10 blocks. And this is how you would draw it out. Um, you were right. I was wrong. This is going to represent the 10, all right? And we're just going to put it over here, all right? So this would be part of like the 12. So let's just go 10 plus 2 of these is going to equal 12. So there's the first question in our array, all right? The second question is going to, so we have 12 along this side, and I'm going to throw 24 up on the top, and I got to rotate these babies. So this is your base 10 block, right? So this is the 10 rod, and so this is how it's going to look. Oh, you know what? I'm too lazy. I'm just going to duplicate this. Clone it. All right. So we have, there's 20, 10, 20, and we need 4 of these little babies. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? And now your job is to actually multiply this. So this is, and so you use your base 10 blocks to fill this in. This is like 12 times 24. So we go, okay, this is where this thing comes in. This is 10 times 10 is 100. And you guys are saying, well, yeah, Mr. Hatfield, that's what we were trying to tell you in the first place. All right, it makes sense to me now. So, and then we move this one in to represent the second 10 times 10. Okay. And then we use another base 10 block here. And let's just rotate this baby, and we'll just copy this. So we go, here's another one. All right, now clone this. And this is another one here. All right. Oh, it was so good. I'm so brilliant. I figured this out, hey? And then let's take them both, and we'll clone them, and we'll move them over here. So now we have these ones. We're just trying to fill it in so that it fills up all the empty spaces. Okay, and then we take this one and we throw it in here. And we clone it. All right. And we clone it again. And I'm dropping down here. That's bad. And we clone it one more time. All right. There we go. And then I'll take these little single ones and I'll clone them and move them down here because they fill in this spot, because we have to fill in all the empty spots basically to get our answer. And when we take a look at this now, we see that, so 12 times 24 is going to be, we're going to have 100 here, 200, so 100, 200, 210, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So 280, 281, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 12 times 24 is 200, was it 88? It looks like. All right, let's write that down here, and let's use, what color should we use? Come on, choose a color for me. I'm bad. Let's see, what color is this if I choose this pen? Oh, bad color. Oh, there it is. Let's go with this color. So we said 288. This is pathetic with a mouse, isn't it? And if bring up a calculator, I'm just going to bring up a calculator so we can take a look at this. We have 12 times 24 equals 288. So that's just checking it out. And that's how you use base 10 blocks to multiply and show that. So I want you to, Mrs. K is going to give you a set of questions, and you need to draw out the base 10 multiplication for it. All right? Have fun with them. Well, do your best. It might not be fun, but at least it's demonstrating your ability to multiply. And then we'll move on to decimals.